the 2002 Ford Explorer. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include cruise control, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, a roof rack, rear wipers, and power windows. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.